Good afternoon, Texans. I just wanted to walk you guys through your OneNote staff notebook. You all should have received an email from me inviting you to the 1819 Sam Houston staff notebook from OneNote. This OneNote notebook is meant to be used as an all-in-one binder for the 2018-2019 school year, and I'm just going to walk you through how to open that and what preferences you should have. So as you can see, once you get to the email, I'm going to actually go into the actual email. You want to click open. And once you get to this screen and you see that you have actually opened your email, what I would like for everyone to do is go to the top and we are going to click open in OneNote. And the reason we want to do that is because we want to make sure that we are operating from OneNote 2016. You will be able to use this on your iPads as well, but initially we want to be able to open in OneNote because we want to have 2016 as our foundational because it has more of the supporting apps and materials. Now, as you can see, I have a number of notebooks here, and I'm just going to go to my 1819 staff notebook, and I'll click on that. And what you can see from mine, because I am the teacher, is that I have my collaboration space, my content library, and each of you are listed as students in my notebook. What I do want you guys to see, however, is that when you go, I'm going to use Abby. When you go and you click on your name, you will see all the tabs that are available for our staff notebook. So we are going to have a section for PLC. We will have a section for all of the Wicker documentation. So you already have a section for writing. You have a section for inquiry. You have a section for collaboration, organization, and reading. You also have a section for meeting notes. This section will be used anytime you are going to staff or faculty meetings. You will have your section for meeting notes there. And then anytime we want to push out material to you, we will either push that out through the handouts or we will push it out through a specific section, for instance, in PLC. So if I open Abby's PLC page, I've already pushed out to you guys the meeting template that will be used during PLC meetings when you guys are meeting with content and when you come to the PLC classroom. You will have the opportunity to add your own pages at any time. And again, we will be able to distribute or push out pages to you, as I have done with this one, anytime we need to get material to you as well. So this is where I want you to go just for today. We will have weekly trainings on OneNote as we begin the school year before your students actually get their iPads so that you are as comfortable as you need to be and using this product.